Hey guys, welcome to Realize Live. Here at the digital manufacturing booth, we can see how we can leverage our solutions for an additive and subtractive approach to improve the design of this steering knuckle right here. So let's jump into that digital thread and see how we do that. So that process starts right up here with design management. We took the steering knuckle from that E-rod, scanned the data, and brought it into that digital environment. Then we use convergent modeling to understand the faces and the constraints, the locations that are crucial for this design. We have the sway bar, the tie rod mounts. These positions can't move, right? Then we leverage our new tool called topology optimization. So with these constraints, we fed into our AI for design, topology optimization. We fed in the location of these pins. We fed in the constraints that someone might see in normal operating procedures. So you have load constraints and such. We gave that to AI, told it to design a new component for us. Then, within a matter of minutes, we could rapidly iterate and generate new designs, like this piece you see here. Once we have the part designed, then we move forward into the structural simulation. What we wanted to do was understand and verify that this new design could hold up in that real world environment. So we used our simulation suite of tools to verify that it was going to hold up in that environment. Then we moved forward and went into manufacturing. How do we do that? The first step before we actually go and print this part, we wanted to verify that printing process. We do that with our build validation tool suite here within additive manufacturing. There we can verify this design, the supports, it's all going to hold up in that manufacturing environment. By doing all of that digitally, we can verify that when we go to market and we go to that manufacturing floor, that the design we generate is going to meet our specifications. Then finally, it's about removing that support. Now, when you print titanium, your support is also titanium. So we leverage our CAM solution set to fully remove all of that support inside that environment. And then finally, we did a final CMM inspection process, verifying that the part that we are manufacturing meets the requirements of the initial design and verified that this product is good to go.
Okay, so let's see the E-rod in action and see our design improvements. This is where the rubber really meets the road. So as you see here, you see the new part all the way installed and in use on the E-rod, and we drove it here just like this.